In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack with WhatsApp. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in and get started on this integration. First things first, you'll need to open Slack. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left sidebar. Here, you'll want to find and click on the option labeled Admin. This will open up a menu. From there, select Apps and Workflows. This is where all the magic begins. Just a quick note, if you don't see the admin options, it means your user account may not have the necessary permissions. In that case, you'll need to reach out to your workspace administrator to help you along. Now that you're in the Apps and Workflows section, the next step is to search for a connector. Head over to the Recommended Apps section and type WhatsApp into the search bar. This will bring up a list of available third-party WhatsApp connector integrations that you can utilize. Click on any that catch your attention to open their details page. On this page, you can review the various features, usage limits, and capabilities of each connector. It's important to choose the right one that fits your specific workflow needs. Once you've landed on a connector that you're happy with, it's time to install it into your workspace. Go ahead and click the button to add or install the connector. You might be prompted to select the target workspace or channel where you want this integration to function. After making your selection, review the requested permissions carefully. These permissions are essential for the connector to handle messages between Slack and WhatsApp effectively. After you've approved everything, you're not quite done yet. The next step is to link your accounts, so keep an eye on your screen for any on-screen onboarding instructions from the connector provider. This part will guide you through the process of logging into or setting up your WhatsApp account. Essentially, this is how you're going to establish that final bridge between your Slack environment and WhatsApp. Make sure to follow the instructions closely. They will typically ask for some account information or to confirm your phone number. The process can vary depending on the specific connector you chose, but just follow along, and you'll be on your way to seamless communication between Slack and WhatsApp in no time. Once you're done with this setup, you'll find that managing messages across both platforms is much easier. You can receive WhatsApp messages in Slack without having to switch between apps, and your team can stay updated no matter where they are. And that wraps up our walkthrough on how to integrate Slack with WhatsApp. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this one. Thank you for watching and happy integrating.